And I hope this isn't taken the wrong way, but like, you know, I see videos on quote unquote quantum physics on here, and listen, man, there's nothing physical about quantum anything. So there's literally no such thing as quantum physics. All it is a bunch of calculus and differential geometry and algebra. But check it out, man. Everything that happens on those scales, okay? As soon as Planck's quanta of action applies at a scale that size or smaller, right? Everything is probabilistic, all right? Nothing is certain, and no, there's no such thing as the principle of uncertainty either. Heisenberg's principle is of indeterminism, as it's said in his book, and Bohr's book, and Planck's book. That's one reason, dude, I don't care if it's Brian Greene or Niels deGrasse or Michio Kaku or anything. Dude, none of those guys are terrible at this. They are good at doing math homework. And Brian Greene's actually really intelligent, but good God, man, string theorists are just, I don't see how they don't get all they're doing is digging into their own consciousness and producing math, which your consciousness is infinite. So string theory's been around for 50 years and it's yielded certain results, but it also hasn't yielded a bunch of things that it says it must yield, like supersymmetry, for example. So like the fact that they're just digging in their consciousness and producing all this math, and it's discursive. They have to use tools like grant me this or grant me that techniques, right? So they have things like Padiv and Popov's ghosts. These things are like not real things whatsoever, but it makes their math work. And they know it's like writing a poem and you can't think of this really great word. So you just smudge some green paint where the word's supposed to be and like, yeah, I'm done. Like, no, dude, that's not how that works. Nah, these guys are they're not as smart as everybody thinks they are, man. They can't just talk about like quantum mechanics, all right, or subatomic mechanics. Just freely discuss it the way I can. That's why I had so much discord when I went to Washington University, because they can't explain their math, it was just weird, man. But anyway, sorry. Like, take Schrödinger's wave function, for example, okay? You gotta understand, that thing is essentially like some entity that's not of our space-time interface, okay? It has a time invariant operator as part of its mathematics, which literally means it has nothing to do with what you see out your eyes. And it's not because you can't see it, it's on such a small scale, because it's beyond space and time, okay? But all it is like some mechanism to distribute the probability of where some event might occur, okay? So now you know what that thing is. It's an entity of probability, and it's the heart of quantum mechanics.